The Worcester Bosch Greenstar CDi Highflow Combi boiler is renowned for its industry-leading flow rate and instant hot water that's ready the moment you turn the tap. Excellent for large homes, it can handle the heating and hot water demands of modern family life with ease. A floor-standing combi boiler with a clean, modern look, it fits neatly under ordinary kitchen worktops. Thanks to the built-in frost protection, it can also be safely installed out of the way in the garage or basement, keeping your water hot and your home heated, worry-free. Simple to operate with a clear display, the Greenstar CDi Highflow works with a wide range of optional controls, putting even greater comfort and efficiency at your fingertips. If you are looking for a combi boiler with industry-leading flow rates, then this is the boiler for you. The Greenstar CDi Highflow.